Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a folder on Outlook. So in order to do this, it's extremely easy. All you need to do is head over to Outlook and just head over to any of your inboxes. It doesn't really matter which one. And then just go to the left side of your screen here at the status bar, basically with all of your folders. And then you will literally just find right here, create new folder, where you can click on. Once you've done that, you can give it a name. So for example, something like this, doesn't really matter. Now, once you've clicked on enter, you will notice that this folder has been created. And then basically you have a new folder. You can then basically just slide emails into that folder by just swiping them into it, just like this. And then you will notice that now a new email has been in this folder. And that's basically what you need to do. What you can then do is simply right click it. And then you will be able to rename it. You can also move it to an other folder. What you can also do is basically create a new subfolder. So you're creating a folder in a folder, which is quite cool. Just like that. And you can also just delete it if you don't need it anymore by clicking on delete folder. And basically that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.